This instructional video will show how to replace toner cartridges in the Kyocera P2235dw printer. When the printer screen shows that it is time to replace toner, use this procedure. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any toner that is not genuine Kyocera toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer's warranty. Open the front door by pressing the button on top. Press this blue button on the right-hand corner to unlock the container and remove by pulling it straight out of the machine. Put the old toner container into the provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container into your recycle bin. Remove the new toner container from its box, being careful not to touch this electrical contact. Shake the toner back and forth 5 or 6 times. Grasp the container at this location and insert it into the printer until it clicks into place. Close the front cover. Allow the machine to run until it's ready. This could take several minutes, so please be patient.